Our planet is teeming with life, from lush rainforests to bustling cities. But what about the places where life shouldn't exist? Volcanic vents, spewing toxic gases, acidic lakes that could dissolve metal, and zones drenched in deadly radiation. Yet, even in these extreme habitats, life finds a way. Today, we explore the incredible adaptations of Earth's most extreme life forms and what they reveal about the possibility of life beyond our planet. Join me on this journey to the very edge of existence, where we'll uncover the secrets of survival in Earth's harshest environments. The organisms that inhabit these extreme environments are called extremophiles. They are a diverse group ranging from single-celled bacteria and archaea to multicellular creatures like tardigrades, those microscopic marvels capable of withstanding the vacuum of space. Take, for instance, the depths of the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth. Here, under crushing pressure and in perpetual darkness, we find thriving communities of extremophiles. Then there are the hot springs of Yellowstone National Park, where temperatures can reach boiling point. Here, thermophiles, as their name suggests, flourish in the scalding waters. And let's not forget the extremely acidic environments like the Rio Tinto in Spain, where the water runs red with dissolved iron. The study of extremophiles is a relatively new field, but it has already revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. By pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible, extremophiles have forced us to rethink our definition of life itself. Imagine a world without sunlight, a world of perpetual darkness, where the only source of energy comes from the Earth itself. This is the world of deep-sea hydrothermal vents, also known as black smokers, found along volcanically active zones on the ocean floor. Here, superheated water, rich in dissolved minerals, spews from the Earth's crust, creating an environment that seems utterly inhospitable. The water temperature can exceed 400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Yet, against all odds, life thrives in this extreme environment. Clustered around these vents are thriving communities of organisms not dependent on sunlight for energy, but on a process called chemosynthesis. Bacteria, the primary producers in this ecosystem, have evolved to utilize the chemicals spewing from the vents, converting them into energy. These bacteria form the base of a complex food web, supporting a diverse array of creatures, from giant tube worms to blind shrimp and ghostly white crabs. The discovery of life at hydrothermal vents was a major scientific breakthrough. It demonstrated that life could exist in the absence of sunlight, relying instead on chemical energy from the Earth's interior. Our journey into the extremes of life takes us now to places where even the very water itself seems intent on dissolving life rather than nurturing it. These are the acidic lakes scattered across the globe, often in regions of volcanic activity. Places like Lake Natron in Tanzania or the sulfuric waters of Yellowstone National Park present a vision of otherworldly beauty, but beneath the surface lies a deadly cocktail of chemicals. The pH levels in these lakes can plummet to values as low as 1 or 2, comparable to battery acid. Yet even in this seemingly hostile environment, life persists. Here we find organisms known as acidophiles, organisms that have adapted to not just tolerate, but thrive in these highly acidic conditions. One of the most striking examples is the extremophile Picrophilus torridus, a microbe that holds the record for surviving in the most acidic environment known. Their cell membranes have evolved to be highly impermeable to protons, preventing the acidic environment from wreaking havoc on their internal machinery. The study of acidophiles is not just an academic curiosity. These organisms have significant potential in various biotechnological applications. The invisible rays of radiation, while essential for life in moderation, can be deadly in high doses. They can damage DNA, disrupt cellular processes, and ultimately lead to cell death. Yet, even in some of the most radioactive places on Earth, life not only endures, but flourishes. These are the domains of radioresistant extremophiles, organisms that have evolved to withstand levels of radiation that would be lethal to most other life forms. One of the most compelling examples is the Chernobyl exclusion zone, a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of nuclear disasters. In the aftermath of the 1986 Chernobyl disaster, radiation levels soared to levels considered lethal to most life forms. Yet even in this highly radioactive environment, life found a way. Scientists have discovered a surprising diversity of organisms thriving in the Chernobyl exclusion zone, including bacteria, fungi, and even some animals. Some have highly efficient DNA repair mechanisms, allowing them to quickly repair any damage caused by radiation. Others produce protective pigments such as melanin that can absorb and neutralize radiation. The discovery of radiotrophic fungi has sparked considerable interest in the scientific community. From the scorching heat of volcanic vents to the corrosive acidity of acidic lakes, we've seen how life adapts to extremes. But our planet holds other challenges, environments of bone-chilling cold and thin, oxygen-starved air. Consider the icy plains of the Arctic and Antarctic, where temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows and the sun disappears for months on end. Here, in the permafrost, where the ground remains permanently frozen, we find extremophiles known as psychrophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme cold. These cold-loving organisms have evolved a remarkable suite of adaptations to survive in these frigid conditions. Their cell membranes contain special lipids that remain fluid even at sub-zero temperatures, preventing them from solidifying and rupturing. They produce antifreeze proteins that prevent the formation of ice crystals within their cells, which would otherwise be fatal. And then there are the high-altitude environments, the towering peaks of the Himalayas, the Andes, and the Alps, where the air is thin, oxygen is scarce, and temperatures fluctuate dramatically. Yaks, for instance, have evolved larger lungs and a higher concentration of red blood cells, allowing them to efficiently extract oxygen from the thin air. The adaptations of these cold-loving and high-altitude organisms are a testament to life's remarkable ability to adapt and thrive in even the most challenging environments. The discovery of extremophiles here on Earth has profound implications for our search for life beyond our planet. If life can thrive in the most extreme environments on Earth, from scorching hydrothermal vents to the frozen wastelands of Antarctica, it begs the question, could life exist elsewhere in the universe, in places we once thought impossible? Mars, for instance, has long captured our imagination as a potential abode for life. While the red planet appears barren and desolate today, there's evidence that it may have once been a warmer, wetter world, perhaps even harboring life. Today, Mars is a cold, dry planet with a thin atmosphere that offers little protection from the harsh radiation of space. But even on Mars, extremophiles offer a glimmer of hope. Scientists believe that if life ever existed on Mars, it may have retreated underground, where liquid water is thought to exist. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, presents another intriguing target in our search for extraterrestrial life. Europa is covered in a thick shell of ice, but beneath this icy crust, scientists believe there lies a vast salty ocean. The discovery of extremophiles on Earth has fundamentally shifted our perspective on the search for extraterrestrial life. The study of extremophiles is not merely an academic pursuit, it holds immense promise for a wide range of human applications. These organisms, with their remarkable adaptations to extreme environments, have provided us with a treasure trove of biomolecules and processes with the potential to revolutionize various industries. One area where extremophiles are making a significant impact is in biotechnology. Enzymes from thermophiles, for instance, are used extensively in molecular biology, particularly in the polymerase chain reaction or PCR technique, which is widely used in research and diagnostics. These enzymes, stable at high temperatures, have revolutionized DNA amplification, making it faster, more efficient, and more accessible. Acidophiles, with their ability to thrive in highly acidic environments, have found applications in biomining. These organisms are used to extract valuable metals such as copper and gold from ores, offering a more environmentally friendly alternative to traditional mining methods. The remarkable properties of radio-resistant extremophiles, particularly their ability to repair DNA damage, have piqued the interest of medical researchers. Understanding the mechanisms by which these organisms protect themselves from radiation could lead to new strategies for protecting humans from radiation exposure, particularly in the context of cancer treatment and space travel. The study of extremophiles is a testament to the power of nature's ingenuity. From volcanic vents to high radiation zones, extremophiles have rewritten the rules of life on Earth. Their incredible resilience not only pushes the boundaries of biology, but also opens the door to imagining life in the universe's most hostile corners. As we study these extraordinary organisms, we uncover the secrets of survival and perhaps the key to life beyond Earth. Fascinated by Earth's most extreme life forms? Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into nature's marvels and the future of science. Let us know in the comments which extremophile adaptation amazes you the most.